Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to refill the water on a Cuisinart Coffee Center coffee maker, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the coffee maker or the coffee machine that I'm referring to, and there are actually two different parts to refill in terms of the water with regards to whatever you want to refill. So basically, I'm going to show you how to refill both of those parts. Really easy to do. The first one that I'm going to show you is over here, which is on the coffee pod side. So this side right here is actually the coffee pod side, as you can see. And behind that side, so this is the coffee pod side. If we go behind that side, I'm going to remove the tank from there. I'll lift the camera up to give you a better view. But basically, I'm going to take off the lid. And if I take off the lid, there's actually a handle that I can use. And basically, that's the water tank for the coffee pod side. And to refill, you could just bring it to the faucet and just, go ahead and put some water in it from the faucet. But because I wanted to keep this video sort of all set up over here, I actually have just a cup of water, and I'm going to try and carefully pour it in there without spilling anything. And that's how you refill it. It's literally that simple. So I'm gonna put the glass to the side, and basically that tank just goes back there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place it back there. Again, you can refill it to whatever level you want to refill it to. I'm gonna place it back there. Oh no, that is not good. It's okay, I'll clean it up after. It's not a big deal. I just spilled some water. It might be coming this way. I think I should be okay. So anyways, that wasn't planned, but it's okay. I'm in my basement bathroom. It's actually tiled from the bottom up. And luckily for me, I was very nice when I said that. I just said, oh no, I didn't say anything crazy. I just said, oh no, and kept it, very simple. Anyways, what I would do if I did it properly is I'll clean that after, not a big deal. I would take it and I would put it in place properly, just as I said. Okay, just like that. That's how I put it in. So I'll show you again because the camera is going down. So I would put it in place properly, just like this. And I would slide it down nicely, and I'd make sure it's nice and secure, and I go like that. And usually I do from the side, to be honest with you. I don't usually do it like this. I'm usually accessing it from the side. But for this video, I just, I tried to just basically do it like that. Anyways, and then once it's in place, I would put the lid back on just like that. That's how to refill that tank. Obviously, just make sure you put yours in place properly, not like I did. But that's how to refill that tank. I'm just going to take a look quickly because I do have a cord plugged in there, but it's fine. The water is it's far away from the cord. We're good to go. So that's the first way of refilling the tank, which is this side over here, which is the coffee pod side. Okay? The other tank that you can refill is over here. So this is going to be the brewing side, the carafe side. And to do that, you open up that lid, as I said, and over here, back here, this is where the tank is to refill it. You can see this is a little piece over here that you can use as a guideline. I believe, if I'm correct, I could be wrong, but if I remember correctly, this is the water filter piece over here, like the water filter handle, I believe. But anyways, this is where you get the water into. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your water, and I'm not going to actually pour this in because I'm not ready to make a coffee right now, but you're going to take your water and you're going to pour it into that tank, and like I said, you're going to pour however much water you want to brew in terms of coffee, like however much coffee you want to brew, you're going to pour that amount into this tank, because when you do brew the coffee, it is going to basically empty the tank, through the coffee grinds into the carafe. So you're going to pour as much water as the amount of coffee that you want to brew into this tank, and then when you brew the coffee, from here, it's going to take all the water in here, send it through the coffee grinds, and it's going to go into the carafe. And as I said over here, as I said before, you just pour the water into there. You can use whatever means necessary, but for me, I like to just use the carafe because it tells me how many cups of coffee I want to make. So I just use this as the guideline for how much water I'm going to be putting in there. That's the idea for me. But at the end of the day, the water has to go in here. That's the idea. The water has to go into this tank back here. And that's it. Close it up and you're ready to go. Once you obviously add your coffee and you have your carafe and all that. But yeah, that's how to refill the water tanks on this unit. I've showed you how to refill the pod portion and also the carafe portion. Really easy to do, except like I said, make sure when you're doing it yourself, you're not spilling the water. That's very unlike me, to be honest with you, but that's usually because, like I said, I usually go from the side and I usually make sure it's nicely in place. So that's very much unlike me, but I am glad, very thankful that I didn't say anything crazy and I just said like, oh no. I kept it very simple. anyways, that is basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, and I am going to go ahead and I'm going to clean that up. So I'm going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.